Summer is officially here, and if you're anything like me, you've probably walked into a room and thought, why is it hotter in here than it is outside? The problem with most portable air conditioners is they're loud, they're bulky, they require constant draining, and honestly, they can be a pain to deal with. But DREO claims their new portable AC 7.4 OS solves all of those problems. So today we're going to unbox it, install it, test it, and find out if this thing is actually worth your money.
Hey guys, this is Daddy O with the O family, and today we're checking out the DREO Portable AC 740S.
Okay.
Huge thanks to DREO for sending this over for today's video. Now, if you followed our channel for a while, you know I only like showing products that actually fit into everyday family life.
Sure.
And with summer temperature getting ridiculous lately, this one definitely caught my attention. So let's get it out of the box and see what we get. Okay, so let's go ahead and open. Let's see what's inside the box. It's all in here. Oh.
The box itself was pretty easy to open. Once you lift the outer box off, you're greeted by a large quick start guide right on top. Let's go ahead and dig a little deeper and see everything that comes included. First up, we have the quick start guide along with the full owner's manual to help get everything set up and running. Next, you'll find several window panels that allow you to customize the installation depending on the size of your window. These slide and adjust to help create a secure fit, which is a nice touch and should work with a variety of window sizes. We also get the dual hose connectors that attach to the back of the unit. Since this is a dual hose system, both openings stay available for airflow, helping the unit cool more efficiently than many traditional single-hose portable air conditioners. DREO also includes a remote control, and I appreciate that the batteries are already included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Over here we have the drain hose. Now, one of the biggest selling points of the DREO 7.4 OS is that it's designed to operate without the constant draining that many portable AC units require. However, in certain situations, such as extended use in very humid conditions, or when storing the unit at the end of the season, this hose can be used to drain any collected moisture. You'll also find foam seals and weather stripping for your window. This helps seal any gaps around the window kit, keeping hot air outside where it belongs while also helping reduce noise and improving overall efficiency. It's nice to see DREO include everything needed for a proper installation, and here are the two exhaust hoses. These connect the air conditioner to the window kit. The dual hose system allows the unit to pull air through one hose while exhausting hot air through the other, helping it cool more efficiently than many traditional single-hose portable AC units. And finally, here is the main unit itself. Wow. My first impression? This thing looks sleek, modern, and honestly a lot more premium than most portable air conditioners I've tested. The design is clean, the controls are easy to access, and it looks like something that would blend in nicely with just about any room in the house. Now that we've got everything out of the box, let's go ahead and get it assembled and see how easy the setup process really is. For today's demo, I'm using this room and window to show you how everything goes together. This won't actually be the room we'll be using it in long term. Our master bedroom tends to get pretty warm during the summer months, so that's where this unit will eventually live. But for now, this setup will give you a good idea of how easy the installation process is. The first thing I'm doing is installing the adjustable window panel. Depending on the size of your window, you can slide and extend the panel to get the best fit possible. Once I had that adjusted, I added the included foam seals and weather stripping around the window. This helps block hot air from sneaking back inside, improves cooling efficiency, and can even help reduce outside noise, so it's definitely worth taking a few extra minutes to do properly. Next, I'm attaching the dual hose connectors to the back of the air conditioner. They simply twist and lock into place, making installation pretty straightforward. Now it's time to connect the two hoses. One thing I like is that these hoses can extend quite a bit, giving you some flexibility when deciding where to place the unit within the room. Once the hoses are attached to the back of the AC, the other ends connect directly to the window panel. This is what allows the system to move air efficiently. The dual hose design helps the unit cool more effectively by managing airflow better than many traditional single hose portable air conditioners. And honestly, that's pretty much it. Once everything is connected, all that's left to do is plug it into a standard outlet, power it on, and you're ready to start cooling your room. Overall, the installation process was simple, straightforward, and something most people should be able to complete in just a few minutes. Now that everything is set up, let me give you a quick tour of the controls. Starting with the remote, you can pretty much control everything without ever getting up from your chair or bed. First, we have the power button. When I turned it on, it was automatically set to 75 degrees, and honestly, I could feel the cool air almost immediately. After lowering the temperature a few degrees, I could definitely tell a difference. I was actually surprised by how cold the air coming out of this unit was.
Nice.
Next is the sleep mode button. This is great for nighttime use because it turns off the display lights on the unit so you're not staring at a bright screen while trying to sleep. It also helps create a quieter and more comfortable sleeping environment. The mode button lets you switch between different operating modes. You have cool mode for everyday air conditioning, dry mode, which helps remove excess moisture from the air on those humid summer days, and fan mode if you simply want air circulation without running the cooling system. You can also adjust the fan speed. There are multiple speed settings, including an auto mode that automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the room conditions, so you don't have to constantly make adjustments yourself. This button controls the oscillating air outlet, allowing the airflow to move up and down and helping distribute cool air more evenly throughout the room instead of concentrating it in one spot. And over here, we have the timer function, which lets you schedule the unit to automatically turn on or off at a specific time. When you're finished, simply press the power button again to shut the unit down. You'll notice a short countdown before it completely powers off, which helps protect the system and ensure everything shuts down properly. Now, if you happen to misplace the remote, you can do virtually everything directly from the control panel on the unit itself. You've got your power button, timer controls, fan speed adjustments, sleep mode, and airflow controls right here on the top panel. One feature parents may appreciate is the child lock. Simply press and hold the oscillation button for a few seconds to lock the controls, preventing little hands from accidentally changing your settings. Hold it again to unlock everything. Around the back of the unit, you'll find the removable air filters. These can be taken out quickly for cleaning, which helps maintain airflow and keeps the unit operating efficiently over time. You'll also find the drain port. While this unit is designed to operate without routine draining under normal conditions, you may want to drain any remaining moisture before storing it away at the end of the cooling season. Overall, everything is laid out in a way that's simple, straightforward, and easy to understand. Whether you're using the remote or the controls on the unit itself, getting up and running takes almost no learning curve at all. Of course, if you're more of an app person, DREO also lets you control everything right from your smartphone. Once I downloaded the DREO app and connected the unit, I was able to adjust the temperature, change fan speeds, switch between modes, control the airflow, and power the unit on or off without even touching the remote. This is especially convenient if you're already laying in bed, relaxing on the couch, or simply don't want to walk across the room every time you need to make an adjustment. I also like having multiple ways to control the unit, whether you prefer using the remote, the onboard controls, or your phone. DREO gives you plenty of options. Honestly, the app was simple to set up, easy to navigate, and worked exactly as expected.
The thing I like the most, number one, the cooling performance. Number two, the drainage-free design. Number three, the quieter operation. Number four, easy installation. And number five, the overall build quality feels premium. Now, no product is perfect, The biggest downside is that portable air conditioners are still fairly large appliances, so you'll need enough floor space. And like most portable AC units, you'll still need access to a nearby window for insulation. Other than that, I really didn't run into any major issues during my testing. So overall, I think DREO did a really nice job with the portable AC 740S. What stands out most isn't just the cooling performance, it's the convenience. Easier installation, quieter operation, and drainage-free design help eliminate many of the frustrations people usually have with portable air conditioners. If you've been looking for a way to stay cool this summer without installing a permanent window unit, this is definitely one worth considering. I'll put more information along with any available discount codes down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. And until next time, bye guys.